Hi, Wasabi. Look at you holding your head up. Yes. Hi, Wasabi. Oh. Say, excuse me. Okay, Lily, can you go over like this so Mama can get you in there too? My two babies. Oh, Lily loves her brother so much.
He's so cute.
Oh, Lily, you're so cute too.
Two babies.
Yes, my two babies.
Two babies.
Yes. Hi, Wasabi. Good job lifting your head up.
Ow.
Give him some room, sweetie.